Hey y'all, North Texas Railroad Productions here. Today we had a good find at the Plano Train Show. I got here a Union Pacific GP-40-2, and this is road number 912. It's got Tsunami 2 DCC with sound. Got it for 200 bucks. Very good deal at the train show. The only other one I could find that was Union Pacific, that was a GP-40, was 200 bucks, but it was a lesser brand, so we went with the Genesis, which I'm very happy about. We'll go ahead and start getting her open here. Always loved the blue Genesis box. I don't know why. Love seeing those around my train room. So this is the second Genesis I've bought. The first one being the Katy Heritage unit that you guys have seen before. And I've really been happy with that locomotive, so I decided to go with another one. And this will be the first DCC switcher on the layout with sound, which is very exciting. There she is. Let's go ahead and get her out. Sorry about the weird lighting, y'all. It's just a quick setup while the layout's being built. Haven't really got a permanent thing yet. Soon we'll have a table where I can just do unpackaging and all that stuff. She looks really clean so far. Look at that. Such a nice switcher. Can't wait to get her tested with the sound. So with these, the packaging is weird, and I found the best way to open this packaging is just to cut one of the corners. I found this is the best way to do it, to open it without hurting the model train. Look how it just opens up like that. Or else you have to like wiggle it out and it doesn't work out so well. Oh geez, this is a nice train right here, y'all. We'll go ahead and put all this packaging away later, but try to keep those fences in. All the fences are out, but I'm pretty sure that's just my fault. Okay, we can fix that fencing after I get the other plastic out, but let's get the other plastic out real quick. Or styrofoam, I should say. There we go. There she is unveiled, y'all. She's got a lot of features. Let's get to those features now. We're gonna cut to a better scene. Okay, y'all, we're on the track now, and I thought I'd show you some of the cool details about this GP-40 from Union Pacific. So one of the first things I noticed when I got this locomotive was, here, let me show you. It's got, I don't know if you can see that good, but the air brakes on it are amazing. I mean, I've never seen a locomotive more detailed than that with all the air brakes and connection hoses. It was really impressive. Paint's good, got all the windshield wipers, the little places that matter. And if we move over to the side here, I don't know if you can see that, but you've got sanders on the left side. Even the little writing is there. I don't know if y'all can see that good, but GM logo. The window's open on this side, which is kind of cool. There's 912. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a wire that comes to this antenna, which is an addition onto this locomotive that they added so that they could talk better and have all the GPS on it, which is really cool. The fans are all in there. Sorry, it's a little blurry. There we go. Fans are all in there. Jeez, it's blurry. There we go. And the paint scheme overall is really good. And same thing, air hoses in the back, ladder, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. Let's get her started up here for y'all for the first time. So right now it is on code 3. I haven't programmed it to the 912 yet, but let's get her going. A very nice startup process. We'll test the bell here. Okay, so we'll test the bell here and see how she works, how it sounds. Add some GP-40 horn to it. Let's add some GP-40 horn to it. Sounds really nice. And of course all the front headlights work. It's a good shot of it. Let's get her running out of the cement factory here. We got a cement factory right here, so we'll get her running out. Runs very smoothly. Slowly speeding her up too. Now let's do some switching. We're going to switch the switch to get her in there. We'll do some switching operations here, or at least get some points on it for the first time. This was worth it. Tickles by itself. Look at that. Perfect. Got the first tray and pulling on it.